Here's the latest Camaro in at Unique, especially in classics. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe. This particular car, dark blue metallic. It's also the original color this car would have came in, but it has had a repaint. Number 29 on the paint code. This was actually the most popular color ordered in 1979. Even beat out white and black with, I believe, over 36,000 units sold as far as Camaros went in this color. Underneath the hood, 305 V8 paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also power steering, power brakes, AC. Now, if you want to check out those engine bay pics, check out the interior of this car, underside, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let you get a good look at this nose. Do have a little spot in the grill that's been kind of repaired right here. As you can see, the paint shows nice luster to it. Does not appear to be a real old paint job. They did keep it in the original color. Riding on the rally style wheels, radial tires, nice beauty rings and center caps. Interior also original blue cloth interior. So that is still in the same color as it would have been. Shifter on the floor, center console. The wiper and radio do work in this. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stepping down the car nice and straight. A few extras are going to come with this in the trunk. Got an extra rally wheel for a spare if you'd like. Looks like the glove box liner. And also an extra glove box appears back there. California duster. A few extra tail lights. And the center gas cap flip deal, as well as it looks like a carpet liner. So those things will also be in the trunk. I also have still pictures of them, as well as probably close to 100 pictures, if not more, online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you there. Let's take a look down the driver's side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, paint shows well. Nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. Previous owner of this car had it for approximately 15 to 16 years. Just decided he wasn't driving it enough and it was time for somebody else to enjoy it. Kind of a vinyl cloth combo on the seat. Did notice the sail panels back here a little bit lighter, and then kind of the armrest in the back half faded some, which we see is quite common in these. Now this interior, you could always have some upholstery, body panels, some things redone, take it to the next level, or just drive it the way it is. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts. Also got rid of fog. And there's your AM FM stereo. Take a look at the dash. Dash isn't all sun-baked or cracked. Little tiny spot up here. Getting pretty fussy. And again, wipers work, radio work, horn work. And again, 305 V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with a TH, a turbo, 350 automatic transmission. Slip around to the back. No crazy cam, exhaust, anything like that. Say about what you'd expect a 79 Camaro to sound like. Now, I'm going to slip up, open this hood. One other thing I want to point out in the 79s, as far as the hood latch, it is way down under here and reach up, and that's where the hood latch is. For future reference, anybody ever is wondering about that, or if you purchase a car and you're looking for it, you're going to know. So let me pause this, get that hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood popped. It's not that difficult to open. It's just a little bit of a reach. Here we go. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Smooth running. 305. 5-liter V8. And again, it appears all the AC components are there. AC compressor will kick on and off, but may need a charge for it to work as it should. So there you go, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe in the popular dark blue metallic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.